Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're seeing what's new, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. New eyelet button down tops. They have this smaller colorful button, that scallop trim, eyelet through the sleeve, boxy fit through the front and the back. Comes in the white, also in that light blue color, and they are going to be $26. So new cuff jeans from Free Assembly. So these have the whiskering. It looks like they're high rise. That raw cuff at the bottom, and then the same fit through the back. They say they are a mid-rise cuff crop, and they're going to be $30. Colors in this little ruffled sweater from Free Assembly. It has a high neckline, the little ruffle on the sleeve, also at the bottom in the blue, also in the green, and they'll be linked down below. New puff sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This one has the tie detail to poplin with the drop tier, that same fit through the back. Comes in the stripe, and then they also have a denim, and they're $36. The denim has that same oversized bow. Colors in the scoop blazer. We saw this one last week. Now they have this red, has the smaller collar, lapel, double, or it's not double breasted, but the buttons lined, longer length, relaxed through the wrist with the buttons, that same fit through the back. These are $54. So now it also comes in the red and the navy. No striped jeans from Free Assembly. This matches back to the vest that we saw. I don't think they have them here. But these are a mid-rise, relaxed, straight carpenter jean. They have the little seaming, the hammer holder, seam fit through the back. And the jeans are $32. No smock dress from Free Assembly. This has the double strap smocking with that V-seaming. Fit and flare, same fit through the back with the little tie detail. And these are $28. Embroidered dress from Free Assembly. This one has the tie with the strap, square neckline, embroidered fit and flare, longer length, and then smocking in the back, and they're $38. Dress from Scoop. So this one has the collar, the crochet baby doll fit, and oh wait, it's a romper. And this linen fuchsia also comes in that ivory. New eyelet balloon pants from Scoop. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, side pocket, true jogger bottom, same fit through the back, no pockets in the back. Brought back the scuba dresses from Scoop. So these have that higher neckline, the shoulder detail, slit on the side in the gray, also comes in the lavender, and they're $34. No lace-up jeans from No Boundaries. These are a boot cut, looks like low rise fit, and then flare with pockets on the back. Comes in this dark wash with like the fading, and then they also have the lighter wash. Also new shorts from No Boundaries. These have an elastic waistband, drawstring, flowy, lightweight, and the rust combo, also in the green. And the shorts are, I think they are $12.98 and below. New asymmetrical lace skirt. This has that elastic waistband, that asymmetrical tier in the ivory, also comes in the green. Skirts are $14.98. New rompers from No Boundaries. So these are strapless with the tie smocking in the waist, the built-in short, same fit through the back, and they're $14.98. So new are these rompers from No Boundaries. Has the adjustable strap, the little tie detail, ruffle with that tier, and then squared in the back, and the coral also comes in the ivory, and they're $14.98. Fold over maxi length skirts from No Boundaries. So this has that little ruche detailing, soft, stretchy, longer length in the hibiscus, also in the zebra, and they're $8.98. And then they also have new colors in the mini skirts. I like wearing these under my dresses because they're almost like a slip and you don't really see them through. But they have the shorts. They're also like kind of smoothing. So there's now fuchsia. We saw the black, and they're $8.98. New tube tops from Madden NYC. This one is that ruched detailing, soft, stretchy, the little slit in the side, and the white, also in the brown zebra, and they are $14.50. Long crochet dresses from Madden NYC. These have the thin strap, plunging V neckline, that floral detail, midi length, squared in the back, in the brown, also in the yellow, and they're $26.50. On the skirts that match back to these vests that we saw, so they have the mid-size collar, buttons with that raw hem to soft stretchy denim, and then the skirt to match has the belt, built-in stretchy shorts, that same fit and flare in both the black and then also that light denim. The vests are $18.50, skirts are $16.50. Americana tanks. I don't know, I think these look like they might be men's. I can't really tell. Muscle tank, Americana, America's favorite. I think they're for women. Hot Cowgirl Summer. Yeah, that's for women. There's a 76. USA. Faith, Family, Freedom. It's that Land of the Free. Look at the little girl, Miss America. These are men's. These are $6.98. So women's are more $8.98. They got USA Speed Shop. These colors don't run. True to the red, white, and blue. America $2.50. Dress from Time and True. This one has that V-neck line with the lace trim. This little tie detail on the sleeve. The drop tier. Same fit through the back in the blue with the beige. It also comes in the beige and the green. And they're $27.98. So new print in this style dress. So this one has these smock straps, a little bit of smocking at the top, fit and flare out, same fit through the back, and they're $27.98. Also new dolman sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This has that plunging V, the smaller buttons, fit and flare with the embroidered little anchors. There's also stars, and they're $38. Have the new Casey Lee line. These have the tie strap, scoop neckline, smocking under the bust, fit and flare, seam fit through the back. Dresses are $34. Also comes in the red gingham. And also from that line is this little dress. This one has the Henley style buttons, tiers, flowy, with the smocking in the back, also going to be $34. So new from the Casey line, these have the thick straps, button, that corset seaming, seam fit through the back. This one is, there's no price. Look how cute the little shorts are. The dolphin hem, the red seaming on the back. Also from the Casey line, this one also has the red patch. These have the raw hem with the little star pocket. Also from the Casey line, they have these little button-down shirts. These have the smaller collar, full button, the button on the wrist, seam detail in the back. The jacket is $33. They also have the carpenter jeans. These are mid-rise loose. They have that seam detail, same fit through the back with that same red patch as the shorts. The jeans are $33. They also have from the Casey line, they have these two-tone flares. They're high-rise with that seaming, seam fit through the back, and they're $33. So from the Casey line, they have these new little, oh no, these are no boundaries, but the shorts that go with the jacket, the little stars. A new peplum top from Scoop. So this one has that square neckline, the seam detailing, fit and flare, the zipper in the back. How cute is this one? This is from the Devil Wears Prada line. Jessica Simpson dresses. This one has the ruffle strap, plunging neckline, squared in the back in this multicolor, also the floral, and they're $36. No boundaries, denim shorts. These have the embroidered little flowers like a flag, and then the embroidered pocket. They also have it in the star patches. Shorts are $14.98. Got the little boxy sweatshirts. These have that crew neckline, drop sleeve, the graphic, and then look how cute. I got this in like the 2XL because they didn't have any other sizes, but I wanted it so bad. Look how cute it is. It looks just like the Love Shack fancy sweatshirts, and I'm pretty sure they're like 10 or 14. but I haven't showed it yet because I have a bunch of stuff to show for a haul. I just haven't gotten around to it. The sweatpants that match back to the hoodies we saw. So these are from No Boundaries. Super soft fleece, drawstring with a little rope. A little bit of a flare with pockets. In the green, also in the fuchsia, and they're $15. The vest, this one has that plunging neckline, smaller buttons, a little tie. We saw it in that chambray color, and these are going to be $23.98. New color in the tie front tops from Time and True. So these have that tie detail, a little ruching on the side. Keyhole, relaxed fit with the seam through the front, same fit through the back. We saw it in the red, now it comes in brown, and they are going to be $15. So new puff dresses from Time and True. These have that elastic around the neckline, puff sleeves, smocking the waist, fit and flare. Same fit through the front and the back in the ivory with the blue. Also comes in the fuchsia. They have this navy and white, and they're $29.98. Well, these tops before, now they have the matching shorts. So the shorts have the elastic waistband, drawstring, eyelet trim. Same fit through the back, and then the tops have that ruching on the shoulder. The same eyelet trim. Same fit through the back with the elastic. Tops are $17.98 and the shorts are $22.98. So new eyelet sleeve dress tops from Time and True. So they have that plunging V, the embroidering, this eyelet detail elastic baby doll fit with the little tie in the back. Comes in the red, also in the ivory, and they're $29.98 and below. Color in the button-down dress from Time and True. So this has that plunging V, full buttons. We saw it in the chambray before. Now it comes in this black linen texture. You can see it has the smocking in the back, and they're $24.98. New soft drawstring shorts from Time and True. These have that drawstring side pocket with the pork chop seam, and this is what the material looks like up close, and then the same fit through the back with pockets, and they're $19.98. New Lee jeans. These are mid-rise, 31-inch inseam. They have this stripe. We saw some of the tops that match back, and they are $32.98. Athletic Works tank and short set. So this one has that high neckline, built-in shelf rod, is a cropped fit. The bike shorts are high-rise with that same seam detailing. Comes in the blue. They also have the navy. The shorts also come in a green. It looks like the tops are $14.98, shorts are $12.98. Now track set. This one is from Avia, mock neck with the side zip. It's a mesh material almost. That's what it looks like. It's thicker. Has the banded wrist, elastic at the bottom, and the black stripe. Also in the green to match. They have that elastic waistband, the wider leg in the black and green. Jackets are $26, and the pants are also $26. They have now a little ruche at bike shorts. So they have that flat front, the ruching on the side. In the core back, the Hot Girl Summer line swimwear. They have this cutout one piece. One pieces are $32. Also the multicolor with the shell. Hot Girl Summer with the cutout. We have the zebra mesh long sleeve with the matching. And then there's the bottoms for that. This eyelet. And then they have an eyelet sarong with the little shells, and tops are $20, rash guards are $20, bottoms are $18, skirts are $24, cover-ups are $24. So the new Casey Musgrave Lee swimsuits. These have the mid-size straps, underwire, open in the back, and the camo, the floral scoop in the back, and then also the red gingham. These are $36. Bikini has the underwire, the smaller bottoms. Tops and bikinis are $22. Or no, tops are $22, bottoms are $20. How cute is that cover up? I like this. It's like a little dress thing. And then the triangle top, bottom. Oh, look at the denim. Oh, how adorable. What is the top for that one? Oh, it's a string top. I don't really like string top. No, that's not to that. I don't know where the top is. I have to look online, but that's really cute. And then they have the seersucker bikini. This one. From the Casey line, they have these satin nightgowns. You could even wear this as like a little dress. Look how cute this is. The buttons. It's a thicker weight. And then also comes in the green. It says 26 and below. They have them in like in the pajama section, but they might be dresses. And then also from the Casey line, they have these little nightgowns, squared in the back, under $26. They also have the denim. These are cute. Right above that, the little short sets. It has that lace trim, flowy with the little bloomers. I don't know how I feel about that. Somebody showed in a store, they had that on a mannequin, like the bloomers as a going out outfit. I mean, that's like too much like a baby. And 26. I'll put that back where it goes, don't worry. And then the little shorts. These sets are $26.99. So, little cardigan that goes with that. Colors in the Joy Spun boxers. Pull-on, fit and flare, and the new leopard. They have a black with dogs. They're like little Yorkies, and there's a little weenie dog. There's a golden retriever, a Scotty, and then they have a plaid. This little Parisian print is new. Blue and stripe with the red hearts. We saw the strawberries and then some more stripes, and they're $8.48. Fiorelli bags. They have a crossbody with this new print. Also, the men is new. Those are $19.98. Also new from the Fiorelli brand is this little shoulder bag in that same floral print. Also comes in black and beige. Those are $27.98. From the Devil Wears Prada line, these little charms. These are $16. This one's also with the snakeskin, $16. And then this one is also $16. New sandals from No Boundaries. These have the round toe, little thong style with the ankle strap. These are going to be $24.98. Sandals from Madden NYC. These have the square toe, the little gold grommet detail in the multicolor. Also comes in black, and they're $30. Also from Madden NYC, these have the round toe, a little bit of a mid-size heel in the ivory, also in the burgundy, and they're $36. New rain boots in this burgundy color from Time and True. They have the round toe, a little bit of a chunky heel. Now in this burgundy, we saw them in the black, and they're $24.98. Canvas chap sneakers. These have the round toe stripe on the side. They're $32. Sandals from Life Stride. These have a little bit of a platform, the one band ankle strap. These are $32. They also have these from Life Stride, similar style, but with the little crisscross and sling back. Those are $34. These are like the ivory. They're $34. Little wedge from Life Stride. They have the round toe, espadrille bottom in the black, also in the cream, and they're $34. New mules from Free Assembly. They have the round toe, ankle strap, and they're $38. So new from Scoop are these little toe mesh sandals. They have the sling back, and they're $36. To end the video, thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.